What is UP, my cryptid crew? Your boy Bigfoot is LIVE from the beach. And guess what? We're on the hunt for honey.
Dude, I just found this bag on the beach. Booger Sugar.
Bro, this is cosmic sprinkles.
My heart is beating so fast. Bro, my face is numb. Hey, Chad! Hey, Chad!
Looks like a used condom and some melted gummies.
What's up, chat? Your boy Trip, aka Bigfoot here. I fucking lost Larry.
What's up, chat? Your boy Trip, aka Bigfoot here. I found Larry. He was pulling some beach bunnies.